Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profitable passive income commissions and 100% commissions have recently come in with OLSP System. So I'm live here in my members area, and you'll see in the top left hand corner my total earnings now are $473.15. And this product, OLSP Megalink, cost me just $7 one time. Promote it with free traffic, so you'll see the profit that's been generated there. And I want to show you some of the income streams here that you can earn. So what you'll see here is Mega Messenger is one product, and that's a monthly passive income. The Mega Link is what you pay $7 for. So you're going to promote one link and earn multiple income streams. That's 100% commission. So once you've got your first referral, then everything after that, excuse me, if you use free traffic like me, everything after that is profit. And there's a free traffic training in the members area, which I'm going to come to shortly and show you everything you get inside this system. This one here, TD pages monthly, another passive income, that's $9.40. And you'll see there's mega links. Mega link converts very well. And if I go on to the next page, you'll see some more mega messengers. Another one here is called List Building and Magic Link. That's another $7 commission. So everything adds up. And a great way, perfect for beginners, a great way to be able to start your affiliate marketing journey. Or like me, if you want to add an additional income stream to your portfolio. So let's show you first of all what you're going to get. 100% commissions without any monthly membership costs. So if you're on a low budget, great offer. You can earn up to 7 income streams promoting one link. Now, the great thing about this system, what I really like about it, is there's a done for you autopilot email follow-ups that promote your link to really boost your commissions. I'm going to show you how that works shortly. And you're never going to be on your own with OLSP System. There's a Facebook group with 145,000 members. So you're going to get all the help and training that you need. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for myself, other OLSP System members, and we've all got an equal opportunity to be able to promote OLSP, become a member and promote it as an affiliate. First thing I recommend you do, you'll see here it says one link, 7 income streams, is come and meet the owner and creator of OLSP System. This is Wayne Crowe. If you're looking for a mentor who's earned over $15 million online and is here to help everybody at every single level of their journey, from beginners to intermediates to advanced, because the Megalink is just one product of several products within the system, then I recommend Wayne Crowe as a mentor. So you come and meet Wayne. You can access this video here. It's a short 10-minute video. He'll explain how OLSP and Megalink works. The link in the description will give you access to this free video tour here. Now let me just show you, when you join Megalink, the value that you the insane value that you get with this offer. So you'll see here live training in 2 days. This live training is done by Wayne himself, how to earn real passive income with affiliate marketing. So he does live trainings every week. There are replays, so you can get to watch those again if you can't watch them live. This free training here, discover how newbies like you can earn 6 figures from affiliate marketing, a free training by Wayne. You get your mega link here. There's Facebook training. You can get paid with Comment Dominator Pro. You get paid for commenting on social media with that there. User guide, traffic challenge, fast start down here. So there's training, traffic training at all different levels, from free to cheap traffic to paid traffic. And then what you see over here, I'm going to show you now exactly how easy it is, and nothing hard, nothing technical to learn with Megalink. I'll show you how simple and easy this system is to use and what you're going to get for your $7. So I've never seen such great value with the system that you get here with Megalink. So what Wayne's done, this is Wayne's training. When you get your Megalink, you come into Welcome to Megalink training here, and what Wayne's done is he's drawn a line down here. You see this line here? He's drawn a line there, and all you've got to do, get the pencil out here. All you've got to do is one thing. He is going to do everything else for you. You've got to do one thing, and all you've got to do is focus on traffic. So he's going to teach you traffic training, free traffic, cheap traffic, paid traffic, and then all you do is you promote one link, and that's your Megalink, and that's it. So everything over here, that's all you need to do. That's how simple this system is. Now your Megalink is in the top right hand corner. So you'll just copy and paste that and promote it. And then what it does, it's a lead capture page. Done for you, if I can find it here. Here it is. A done for you lead capture page. You're going to promote this page. That's all you've got to do. One simple job. Now what happens is, then the magic happens, because when you promote that page, he calls it a squeeze page. Then your prospects put their email into that lead capture page and they go onto your email list. But you're not going to buy any autoresponders because it's built in to the system. So what Wayne and his team do, if you look over here, he's got 32 staff. They send out emails for you. They send out emails. So you promote that lead capture page. They send it. Now, if anybody buys, that's ongoing for life to your buyers. But he sends out emails. Now, within those emails, he puts products, promotes products in there. Low ticket products, medium ticket priced products, monthly recurring products, and high ticket products. Now he knows what to promote because he creates his own products. He spent $250,000 on this system. Now within those emails going out is your affiliate link. He promotes you. He promotes your affiliate link on autopilot. You could be asleep, you could be awake, you could be at work, you could be out with your family, friends. And then when somebody buys one of these products, you're going to earn commissions. I've never seen such value given for a low ticket, one time, $7 product. Everything you need to succeed with affiliate marketing is here within this system. Everything. Because there's ongoing training. The support system that he has with the Facebook group of 145,000 members is there as well. So one of the main reasons that people fail to succeed with affiliate marketing is they don't have anybody to talk to. So they get stuck, they get lost. It can be quite overwhelming at first sometimes to put all the pieces of the jigsaw together. But there aren't any pieces of the jigsaw. The jigsaw's done for you. You're just going to promote one link. So you're going to get all the help and support you need. Wayne Crowe is a member. He set this group up. So it's not a group. It's a group there by Wayne Crowe. So You can also friend him on Facebook as well. So he's very approachable, very likable, very helpful to all his OLSP members. He's a great mentor. Really, really like him. So everything you need is here to succeed with, excuse me, with OLSP System Megalink. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I upload several new videos every week. I've got over 1,000 videos now on my channel here. If you've got any questions about OLSP System, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer your questions for you. And my email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. I do mentor students myself one-to-one, so if you want some help with your affiliate marketing, then that's the email address in the description to contact me on, and then I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. What I recommend you do is come and meet Wayne Crowe. Come and meet this gentleman here. And if you're looking for a mentor and someone to help you become successful, then I highly recommend him. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.